To locate governing vessel 14, put your index finger at the back of your neck, then move it down to the base of your neck where you'll feel a little bump. That is cervical vertebra number 6. Go past it and you'll come to a bigger bump, which is cervical vertebra 7. Between cervical vertebra 7 and the next vertebra is a little depression that is governing vessel 14. Activate governing vessel 14 by rubbing this point 5 times rapidly, then take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. First bump, second bump. Or if you have a Tay shin, it might look like this.